Simplifying outdoor events since 1997, Sino-Swan is the leading manufacturer of mobile stages, trailers, trucks, and kitchen trucks equipped with advanced hydraulic technology. Introducing Sino-Swan Mobile Kitchen Truck, your ultimate solution for selling delicious food on the go. With its compact design, this mobile kitchen can be set up in just 5 minutes, allowing you to launch your culinary venture wherever you desire. Perfect for vendors looking to serve up quality meals quickly and efficiently. The Sino-Swan SK40 is equipped with all the essentials to help you succeed. With a quick setup time of just 5 minutes, you can transform any location into a thriving restaurant. Local parks, university campuses, beachfront, sporting events, highway rest stops, residential neighborhoods, and more. Prepare, cook, and serve effortlessly with essential utensils, spatulas, knives, pots, pans, and more, all within reach. Sino-Swan SK40 Plus. With dual-side expansion, it opens up to reveal a spacious interior, offering maximum room for seamless cooking and serving. Perfect for high-capacity food service on wheels. Thanks for watching, Sino-Swan.